Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Home Fitness Fusion. My name is Declan, and if you're new to the channel, it's great to have you on board. Now, I don't know if you're familiar with a TV program called This Time Next Year. It was a program that was aired on British and Irish TV a few years ago, and basically people would come on the show and explain what they wanted to achieve over the coming year, whether it was to lose weight, find a new career path, maybe find a perfect partner or a life-changing operation. Whatever it was a great TV show, but we don't have the luxury of having a TV show or a camera to follow us around and motivate us, but that should not deter us from trying to work to achieve our goals. And that's why today I'm super excited to introduce to you a new program which I'm going to be doing called How to Get Six-Pack Abs for Beginners at Home for Men or women, whichever the case may be. It's going to be a great program and I'm super excited about it, and it's going to last roughly for 2 weeks, 14 days, and it's a no equipment workout, and all you need is a yoga mat, dumbbells and maybe some press-up stands to get going. It's great. Now I know I'm out of shape. I need to tone up and lose a bit of belly fat and maybe strengthen up a little bit, and I'm looking forward to doing it. So if you're interested in and want to follow me, well then please like and subscribe to my channel, Home Fitness Fusion, and we'll see you on video on day 1 where we will start the program. Okay, looking forward to seeing you. Take care, all the best. Bye for now, take care. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm just standing on my weighing scale. I'm just going to zoom in so you can see that what I'm at the moment. And at the moment I'm at roughly 12.5 stone, 12 stone 5 pounds. So as you can see that. Okay, that's my weight at the moment. And hopefully I will change that. So I'll see you in a second and we will start day 1 of this workout program. Okay, talk to you in a bit. Thank you.